Hello guys, my name is Srihas. Today we're gonna make a zombie shoot game in Scratch. So we have completed only Square Zombie as we have done. So this part is our s- Sprite 3 as our, our smart zombie. So I did not even name that, so I'll never name. As you can keep your name as Zombie Shoot or shoot zombie, shoot a zombie, smart zombie, and or speed zombie. Anything else you can keep. I have kept speed zombie. Okay, so you can keep that names as I can. So same codings. We will grab this to sprite 3 as our speed zombie. Speed zombie. But some codings are different. I'll show you. So grab this only one time. And so yeah, only one time, and duplicate this when I start as a clone. Grab forever. What? Wait for 1 to 0.5 seconds. Wait 1 to 0.5 seconds and make a variable called dir y x and done. Okay, so set dir to direction and set it x to x position and set it y to y position here and broadcast shoot now the player shoot the player shoot the player. This is the last part, and let me go to this. When I say shoot the player, create a clone of myself. So when I start as a clone, and when green flag clicked and click on hide. Okay, so when I start as we will hide these variables. We don't need my variable, so I'll delete this. My variable when I start as a clone, go to X. When green flag clicked, we will not just remove that. X and X and Y, point direction, and to there, and go to back layer, here, hide at the top of the shooter player, and show for repeat until touching edge. Move 10 steps and delete this clone. Okay, so we have started this. So yeah, so let's play. Yeah, the zombies also can shoot. This is one of my favorite music. His favorite music in Scratch, the best music. And we need a sound for this. We need a sound for the zombies when I receive. So grab pop. So when it will play pop, it will shoot. It means that it will shoot. So if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to get more videos in the notification bell. And thank you, bye bye, and scratch on guys. Make your own games in my Bye. See you soon.